Here's the Astro Excel for the first week of August, picking this up from 8/3. As trading starts Sunday, the green line is bullish above plus 20, and it starts to make that move up above plus 40, where it peaks out above the 40 line all the way till midnight here or early morning of the 6th, where it starts to move back down but still stays above the plus 10 line all the way through the day session of the 7th. And then as we move into Friday, it starts to become more neutral, pushing down below the 0 line, then breaks the minus 10 level and stays below minus 10, between minus 10 and minus 20 for the rest of the week. Key spike points, Monday, 8 a.m., 1700 Monday down at minus 20. And then we're kind of between the 10 lines here into Tuesday. We've got two spikes here on Tuesday, the 11 a.m., and then again here at 1600. Next important spike would be on the 6th at 1400. Down here at the minus 18 level. We've got a spike peak here at 1 a.m. on the 7th. And then another peak here on the 8th at 1 a.m. A spike low at 6 a.m. Another spike low near the close Friday at 1600. So now when we have these strong bullish periods like here, we're up above the plus 20 and we're heading up to that plus 40 area. You want to look where the blue line is in sync with that green line, and those areas should be very favorable for the long trades at those points. Any of these blue line moves up here, and then even here we're still above plus 20 here through all this. So that's still a big bullish influence, even though the green line is tracking down. And then we don't really see much in bearish territory till very late in the week on the 8th here, when it dips down below the minus 10. Anyhow, you always want to look at the two lines in tandem to see how that plays out. Those are very favorable areas for trades in that direction, especially when the green line is outside the 10s.